Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a food lover with a Capital One Savor card, you're in for a treat because today we're diving into how to snag those awesome dining credits. These credits can help you save big on your favorite meals, whether it's a fancy dinner out or grabbing takeout. Let's break it down step by step so you can start maximizing your rewards right away. First off, what's the deal with Capital One Savor dining credits? The Savor card is designed for people who love to eat out, offering up to 4% cash back on dining and entertainment purchases. But to get those credits, you need to start with the basics. Step 1. Make sure you have a Capital One Savor card. If you don't, head to the Capital One website or app and apply. It's straightforward. Just enter your details, and if you're approved, you're on your way. Once you've got your card, activation is key. Log into your Capital One account online or through the mobile app. Look for the rewards section. That's where you'll find your dining credits. Now, here's the fun part. Start using your card for eligible purchases. That means swiping it at restaurants, coffee shops, or even food delivery services like Uber Eats or DoorDash. Remember, credits typically apply to U.S. dining locations, so double-check the terms to avoid any surprises. To redeem your credits, it's super simple. Accumulate your cashback rewards, and then go to the rewards portal in your account. You can redeem them as statement credits, which basically means they'll offset your dining charges. Pro tip. Set up notifications in the app so you never miss out on bonus opportunities, like limited time offers for extra credits on certain restaurants. In summary, getting Capital One Savor dining credits is all about smart spending and staying engaged with your account. If you follow these steps, you'll be dining like a boss without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. What's your favorite way to use rewards? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.